Buddy, Dr. Steven here in Colorado Springs. You can see behind me beautiful Pikes Peak, America's Mountain as they call it, which sits just to the west of our city, 14,112 feet, and about 125 years ago, something like that, Catherine Lee Bates was here visiting, and she was inspired by that mountain and wrote the song America the Beautiful. So they call this America's Mountain. Anyways, I just want to say we're going to have a great week, and let's go talk about our class. So this week, week 3, we got just a few things going on. Of course, we got the readings and understanding the scripture, and in Glenn Powell's great book, Saving the Bible from Ourselves. Aren't you just loving this book? And there's a real treat, because this week, the video is the second interview with Glenn, and I have to say, of all 4 interviews, this one is the best. On my YouTube channel, though I've probably had 150 to 175 students in this Intro to the Bible class that have seen the video that you'll see, I think I have almost 400 views, which means a lot of other folks apparently have enjoyed it as well. I think you're going to really, really like the video. And at the end of this week, Sunday nights, there'll be a place in the Lessons tab for this week. You'll see for the assignment the first reflection paper, and you just have to upload it. A doc is okay, Word document's fine, or a PDF. And the reflection paper, first of all, you can pick either text. It doesn't matter, and I know you haven't read all the book yet. And that's the problem with the shortened 7-week type class, is we have to have these grades, but we understand that you're still in process. So this is all I'm asking for the reflection paper, and it's really just more of an accountability that every student is engaging the text and working with the text. It's 3 to 5 pages. 3 pages is fine, double space. As I said before, you'll take the first half, the first page and a half, if you will, and just tell me, and you can use first person in this paper, which is unusual for an academic paper, but you can say I or me rather than one or they said. And the first half, the first page and a half, just tell us the purpose of the book and kind of the way it's laid out, and just the general overview, which you can get from what you've read and the intro and the table of contents and those things. And then the second half, the next page and a half to 2 pages, pick one thing that maybe you've read thus far that just resonated with you, and just tell us why it really made a significant impact in the way you think, and just why it was important to you. And that's it. That is the reflection paper. Beyond that, of course, there's 2 discussion questions. They'll be based on the readings and understanding the scripture, and then the reading and the video in Saving the Bible from Ourselves. And then finally, I'm posting in the email I'm sending you and in the materials, I'm posting a video I did actually, again, it was about 1.5 years ago, or maybe a year ago. I did this video to help the students plan their final paper. The final paper is not due until the very end of class in October, but some of you probably want to get started on it and just start thinking about it at least. It's only 6 to 8 pages. It won't be that hard, but you may want to watch my little video to kind of give you an idea of what we're looking for that class. So basically, to summarize, it's just going to be a great week of interaction and discussion. Watch the video, the second interview with Glenn. If you want to watch the video on the final paper, you're welcome to, but you don't have to watch it this week. You can watch it next week or whenever. So let's have a great week. It has just been fun getting involved with you guys and interacting with the discussion questions. I feel like I'm getting to know you already, and what a great time we're having. God bless you guys, and I'll see you on the discussion threads.